Hello everybody, today we're going to show you how to install the Coast RV Travel Rack Pro to the drawbar of your RV. The beauty of this product is it allows you to utilise your standard towball-mount style bike rack that you already may have on the back of your car and utilise it on your RV instead. This eliminates the need for you to actually have two different bike racks, one that you use on the back of your car and one that's normally bolted to the back of your caravan. You can now do it all with just one. Okay, so let's have a look what's in the box. First of all, you have your main cross member. You have your vertical adjustable mast. We then have a set of U-bolts, two J-pins, two R-clips. We've got two U-bolt mounting blocks. And to tidy it all up at the end, we have some plastic covers. And you'll also need a tow ball, which is sold separately. Okay, so some of the tools you're going to need for this installation are a pair of side cutters for your unpackaging, a 7/8 spanner, a good old shifter as well, Phillips head screwdriver and a mallet. Okay, so when choosing the location for your main crossbeam, just make sure you take into account the size of your current bike rack, whether it's going to be facing forwards or backwards, so that you don't impede on any other items around there such as toolboxes or gas bowls. So once you've chosen the desired location for your cross member, now it's time to install your U-bolts and your mounting plate. With your U-bolts, there is an order that you need to use for the nuts and bolts. So first of all, you're going to have your flat washer, then you're going to have your spring washer, you have your standard nut, and then after that you'll have your locking nut. When installing the U-bolt, please ensure you don't impede your handbrake cable for safety reasons. Okay, so once we've tightened up our U-bolts, you can actually use an angle grinder or a hacksaw to trim the extra length off the bolt and then install your optional plastic covers like so. So now it's time to install the adjustable mast. Taking into account the orientation of the towball mount, you can have it facing forward or facing back depending on the size and style of your bike rack. Just make sure you do back off your locking bolt as far as it'll go without falling out. Okay, so once you've chosen your desired height and orientation, we can now go ahead and tighten up the locking bolt with your shifter. So now time to add your tow ball. Simply goes in the top. It will be a bit tight the very first time you do it due to the powder coating, so a mallet will help. Okay, so here we have the Coast to Coast Quick Fit XF2 bike rack. It's a traditional towball mount style bike rack. This is also available in a 3-bike format. So as you can see here, we've orientated this bike rack so that it actually sits backwards and clears over the top of our gas bottles, or the same if you would have toolboxes there. Also, if you want it, you could swing it around 180 degrees and have it facing forward. Okay, thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to have a look at all our other videos online at coastrv.com.au.